All are welcome to Kundu sir accounts classes for class 12. It is the most important chapter, joint stock company. Today it is lesson 1. Basic discussion will be made on issue of shares. Important points on the right hand side mentioned: the Company Act 2013. The act earlier was the Company Act 1956. From the 2013, the earlier act is totally ignored, but on this basis, after a lot of revisions and amendment, new Company Act is prepared, the Company Act 2013. There are three kinds of company. One is one person company. It was not under the Company Act in the 1956, but it is inserted in the new Company Act 2013, the one person company, usually termed at OPC. Second one is private company, and third one is public company, that is, it is related to shares. Because we are discussing joint stock company and issue of shares, it is covered under the public company only. Then in this chapter, in the first class or second or third, 3 consecutive class, I have to discuss the journal, basic journal entries, then ledgers and cash book entries related to issue of shares. Also thereafter, various type of entries will be done in different circumstances, and in addition to, we should learn the preparation of balance sheet under Company Act 2013, Schedule 3, Part 1. Now the issue of shares. Shares of a company can be issued at par, that means at nominal value or face value of the share, which is mentioned in the memorandum of association in the capital clause, and this value is to be mentioned on the share certificate also. Sometimes we can issue share, or company is issuing share at premium, that means the company is issuing share more than the face value. When the company's performance is good, public is interested to subscribe in the share or make subscription in the share, and company is a blue chip company or a good company and good exposure and good balance sheet and good profitability, the company can sell their share or issue share in the market at a premium. That means the share price is more than the nominal value or face value of the share. Third is, share may be issued by any company at discount. The position of company may good or may not good. Company is in need of money, their project, their investment, and their opportunity to investment and urgently need of money. In different circumstances, company can issue the share at discount. Therefore, the issue price may be at par, at premium, or at discount. And now we are talking about the share capital of the company. There are main 3 categories: then authorized share capital, then issued share capital, and the subscribed share capital. In case of subscription or issued, then called up and paid up and uncalled also. Clear? Now we are discussing what will be the journal entries for this. When share are issued at par, or share issued at premium or share issued at discount. But there is a clause in the memorandum of the company regarding the amount of capital, face value of the share, number of shares, that all is to be intimated and permission is to be taken from registrar of the company. There are various registered office now at Delhi, then Kolkata, then Chennai, then Hyderabad, then Mumbai and various places now. There is a registered office, and this issue subsequently is to be intimated to SEBI Stock Exchange Board, because the issue is related to public company. There is a question of dealing in the market also. Earlier there is a clause for capital issue controller permission from the 1991, and thereafter these clause are more or less neglected or removed. Now we are discussing the, we will take a hypothetical problem and we will solve the problem now. Next, once again, joint stock company, point to be remembered, the Company Act 2013, kind of company, 1% company, private company, public company. 1% company has no right to issue share in this because it is 1% company, and private company can't issue or invite public to subscribe their money in the form of share. For the private company, they have no right to issue to the public. Only public company can issue the share to the public. Then issue related, we should first learn the journals. Then all our things are mentioned here, the nominal value, face value, par, premium, discount, authorized, issued, subscribed, etc. Now I am taking a hypothetical problem and I will pass the journal. Now first of all, I am making a problem, hypothetically easy problem here. Now the problem is issue of shares at par, issue of equity share at par means at face value. Problem, Krish Limited, New Delhi, issues 1000 equity share, 1000 equity share of rupees 10 each, payable as under first, application money, rupees 3 per share, allotment money, rupees 3 per share, first call money, rupees 2 per share, second and final call money, rupees 2 per share. Pass the journal entries. Now I am writing the entry here. First the date, second in particulars, third is amount, debit rupees and amount credit rupees. First for this date may be whatever may be. So what is maybe date? Then application. First journal, serial number of the journal 1, serial number of the journal, that is 1, date is, you can take any date. Then what will be the entry? Public is applying and it is fully subscribed in the market, fully subscribed. First entry will be bank account debit, bank account debit. 2, equity share application account, bank account debit to equity share application account. How much? That is equal to Bing share application money received on 1000 shares at the rate of rupees 3 per share. It will be 1000 shares into 3. Bank will be debited by 3000 and equity share application account will be credited by 3000. It is the entry number 1. It is the entry number 1. Now from here it is entry number 1. Now I am doing here entry number 2. That means the entire money which is received in the ground of share application is to be transferred to equity share capital account. So equity share, then serial number 2, equity share application account debit, it is 3000 to equity share capital account, that is 3000, and being the equity share application account, equity share application money on 1000 shares duly transferred to equity share capital account, share capital account. But we should read, it is to be written being the equity share application money, that means the equity share application money on 1000 share duly transferred to equity share capital account. White board's resolution number and dated number also is to be mentioned. For your class it is not necessary for 11, 12 class student to write this, but every time for transferring any amount or make the due for the shareholders or application, every time board resolution is required. So being the equity share application money on 1000 share duly transferred to equity share capital account, white board's resolution number this, dated this, but you have no need to write it for your class. Then third entry we should make due the allotment money, equity share allotment money, equity share allotment money, equity share allotment money account debit, equity share allotment money account debit to equity share capital account, for 1000 share at the rate of rupees 3. So it will be 3000, 3000 being equity share allotment money, equity share allotment money due on 1000 shares at the rate of rupees 3 per share, and it is to be also written by board resolution number this dated this. Then fourth entry, bank account debit, bank account debit rupees 3000 to equity share allotment account, equity share allotment account, that is 3000. That means equity share being, or you can't write being, also not needed, being equity share allotment money, allotment money duly received. It is the fourth entry. For fifth entry we should do here, fifth entry here, I am again writing here the fifth entry here, fifth, number 5. You make due equity share first call account debit rupees 2000 to equity share capital account, it is 2000. Then narration will be, or is to be, being equity share first call money due on 1000 shares at the rate of rupees 2 per share. That is due entry for first call is then thereafter. Then sixth entry I am writing down or mentioning in the left hand side of the board. Then sixth entry, bank account debit, bank account debit 2000 to equity share first call account. Thereafter last entry, seventh, equity share second and final call account debit to equity share capital account, that is 2000 1000 into 2. Then the last entry, bank account debit 2000 to equity share second and final call account 2000. Now I am completing the class, and the next part will be done in the second lesson. Thanks all of you.